Once again, it is time for the Hack 5 Payload Power Hour, and it looks like the stream is alive and well, and I hope you are too. I hope everyone is doing well wherever you're coming in from. I am here in the little Hack 5 studio in Austin, Texas, just settling in for a cozy little moment of good Wi-Fi pineapple shenanigans, as it were. So we will, as always, take just a moment to let everybody trickle in and say hey to everybody all around. And yeah, once again, I'm excited. We've got some pretty good payloads in the pull requests. We're going to merge some nice little themes and yeah, just kind of just have a chill Saturday stream, you know? I've got about an hour before I have to head over to a family member's birthday situation, and you know what? Figured, hey, let's check out what's going on in the pineapple verse. So, what is up, everyone? Let's go ahead and head over to our pineapple. Throw me up on, let's say, that corner over there. And yeah, that looks about right. Cool. Well, I'm glad everybody could make it. I am, what, am I still running? Let's see, I've got some uptime on this one. 16 days now on this pineapple here. And what's up? AI Evolutions, Dolphin Crow, Code Prime, Dean, Slash. I was just mentioning this stream to Mouse. I see, I know that the Discord is popping. I know Zombie Joe's in there. And actually, I just SCP'd over a Zombie Joe original. So if he joins us, that'd be pretty cool, because we're checking out one of the latest themes that I haven't even seen yet. I'm so excited. I love how Zombie Joe does this, where he will put he'll put the thumbnails in like a little teaser thing on the pull request, so that like if I don't want to see it, I don't have to. I love that. Yeah. 1.0.8, the firmware development is coming along really well. We're doing a lot of, you know, underlying stuff. I would say there's a lot of effort going into some optimizations on both, like on the kernel front for both the radio side and also on the display side. We get pedantic about like nitty gritty stuff, you know, just eking out every little bit of performance, and then like, you know, chasing any little, you know, bit of memory that we can optimize, finding ways to make it so that, oh, okay, well, we know that this thing is going to feel sluggish because it needs to process some things in the background. So like, let's maybe approach it differently so that we can pre-cache some of that stuff and then make the like user experience feel zippier. So anyway, just lots of little good stuff is happening in the background on 1.0.8. And then we've got our roadmap releasing here real soon on that. And actually, let me see if I've got this open. I've got a bunch of goodies to get into, but yeah, just on the main, let's see, GitHub, Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager, there is a new section. It's not fully launched, but there's a new section, and if you just head over to the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager GitHub, hey, Zombie Joe's here. What's up, Joe? Just SCP'd a theme of yours. Can't wait to check it out. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm excited. But yeah, you'll see discussion now, and this is where the roadmap is going to go, but the feature ideas we're going to be pushing over to this rather than the other infrastructure we were using in the past. And already I see some pretty cool ideas. I mean, require pin on startup, hey, it's not a bad idea. I bet we could get that in there, no problem. And the nice thing about using this is you guys can all upvote, and then it's based on the same account that you're already using for payloads anyway. So gotta say, the more I use GitHub, and I mean something I've been using for over a decade now, but the more I really start to use all of the features, the more I can truly appreciate them. Bit of a learning curve, but this one's a pretty easy one. In fact, there's a great little show and tell section here where ZeroLink has made first post, so way to go ZeroLink. And that was the Pineapple Pager library, the payload library front end. Such a cool little thing. So check this out, the full library web page, and this is such a great way to like see what's going on, see what, like, hey, let's go check out, all of the user payloads, and then from within then I'm interested in the exfiltration payloads, and look at this, the dumpy reverse ducky payload, and just it's such a it feels a lot. I mean, you contrast this, and you can see the source code right there, or just check out the description, whatever. You contrast that to where I just was, okay, let's go to the payloads, and there's nothing wrong with it. We got a tree, okay, user payloads, exfiltration, dumpy reverse ducky. I mean, there's the readme MD. I don't know, there's just something about this one where I'm a sucker for good style sheets and just like good everything all around. The JavaScript is great, like it feels very responsive, it's fun. There's something to be said about just like it's our own. I say ours, and I mean I didn't lift a finger to make this, but ZeroLink did, and it looks phenomenal. These little touches, like hovering over Recon and seeing the little glow. I don't know, just it brings joy, and this is just like a great little thing to have. And so anyway, we now have discussions. So you can that's the payloads. Hang on, I meant to show you not under payloads, under Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager, not dash payloads, just the OG one. And then under discussions, you got all the discussions. You got the Q&A, you got show and tell, and I think it's like a great place for so many of the things that you all have created that aren't necessarily payload. Like this isn't a payload, but it is so cool. So anyway, that's what we're checking out. I want to just kick us off by checking out the latest by Zombie Joe, because we do have a bunch of pull requests here in themes, and one of them is Zombie Cal, the new theme, and I figure, hey, why don't we just test that out on air right now? Yeah, and what is it under about? No, hang on. Okay, yeah, so this is still 1.0.8, but none of the changes that are underlying on this beta version will break the themes or anything, so I say that, knock on wood, but let's go ahead and check it out. It is called zombie_cal, so got quite a few awesome zombie themes now, and let's just go ahead and execute that, and let's see it in its full glory on this yellow pager. Okay. No way, Valley Tech Solutions. Hey! Oh, it's Cal! Oh, dude! It's actually Cal! Look at this! That is so cool. I did not expect that. Oh, I gotta message Cal now. This is great. Dude. Ooh, that's sweet. Look how sharp that is. This is just another one of those themes that really shows off kind of the pixel density of this screen. Gosh, look at that. You got the soldering iron, the roll of solder over here, all the stickers. I love the little battery tray thing here on like a PCIe board. And then we've got a baby screen with, I'm assuming, oh yeah, cute little icons underneath all of these. Got our time up there, which if you experiment with the themes, you'll realize that that's kind of a fixed asset. dude, this looks so good. Okay. Oh, and it's got the war driving screen. Yes, love the skin on that war drive page. Alerts. Oh, yeah, that looks really good. Oh, you know what? The bokeh effect right here, where it's like blurred out. Zombie Joe. Man. Loving this. Also, the terminal look looks really good. Payloads. Oh, yeah. I love this little blur action here. It makes it feel so 3D. Let's go into reconnaissance. And let's do... Actually, I don't want to do reconnaissance. I want to do remote access. Let's launch Nautilus. Oh, there he is! That is so cool. It's got the signature bandana and everything. Love it. Let's go back and do the double-click menu. I always love to... Boop. And, oh yeah. Oh, that looks really good. Get our nerd stats going. Yes. Recon. Okay, of course. I don't know if I have privacy mode on or not. We'll see. Pine AP looks really good. These checkboxes work surprisingly well, you know? It's like they're gray or they're white. That looks really good. Let's check out the keyboard. Also, it looks like the density of this menu is a little higher, so could probably fit a little bit more on here. Let's see. Yeah. Where is postname? There we go. All right. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice keyboard. I did also see another keyboard here recently where instead of like just the little square around the key, it was fully shaded, and it was using alpha transparency on the PNG. Also looked really good. So this is a sick little theme, and holy crap, it's valid. I mean, hey, what's not to love? Oh my gosh! And as he literally glances over to his other screen. And not only is Zombie Joe in here, but Valley Tech Solutions in the house. What's up, Cal? Yeah, best theme ever. No joke. Man, what a cool collab. I never would have imagined. That is so cool. Oh, man. This is a pretty sick theme. What have I not checked out? Let's see. Probably want to pull up the number pad. So let's go into... Is it under networking where I can... no. Where is a good place? Oh, pin code setup. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Oh. The zombie pineapple sticker and the Valley Tech Solution sticker. Love it. Guys, this is primo. Primo machino right there. I love it. Oh. I didn't switch cams. Derp to derp. Need to get a, what is it called, a technical director at some point. Just somebody remote in and switch cameras for me so I can just, like, focus. But yeah, doesn't that look so good? Oh, it looks so good. Nice. All right. Well, hey, way to go. Here, let's just pull it up on Virtual Pager so you can really appreciate the crispiness of that. Wow, that zombie pineapple just gets me. Okay, and then we also have one other theme, and now I'm sad. All right, well, what was the other theme called? Okay, so that. Let me just get that PR done. Also, love the little spoiler toggle. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna merge that. We are also, I don't know if this is going to make it into 1.0.8 because we're really just focused on a lot of low-level stuff on that one, but we are indeed working on a mechanism by which you will be able to first party within the Wi-Fi Pineapple pull themes, pull payloads individually rather than just doing git pulls. So just kind of slipping that in there as a low-key awesome thing on the horizon. And I know that we've got a few more, peaks in the house. A few more easy ones. So Darknet Diaries added the, we got the 24-hour clock toggle there. That's nice. So that's an easy merge there. Same thing with this guy. Yep. Oh, wait. I found a rendering issue in the Warriors theme settings clock. Data is being rendered off screen. Yeah, hang on. Is this? Oh, okay. It's on the Darknet Diaries one. Cool. For some reason, I thought this was on the War Games one. Nope, that's good. Infusions. Someone's been a Pineapple user for a while. Yup. Do we ship to Turkey? hack5.org/compliance. Oh, I swear half my job is... If you don't know what FAR 52 or NDAA 889 are, man, I envy you. There's so much regulatory. Turkey. Hey, look at that. Turkey is yeah, we can actually ship there because we can only ship to BIS recognized license exemption ENC favorable treatment countries pursuant to US 15 CFR supplement number 3 of part 740. It's so simple, guys. There you go. The cool peeps. All right. You'll have to buy me a drink to get more into that. Let's see. That one is done. And then, all right, Pecars. Pineapple Computer Access Retrieval System. I can only imagine that's like a spin on LCARS, and I've actually already downloaded it here. So let's go ahead and head over to General, Theme, and oops, did I just... All right, Pecars. Let's go. And as you guys remember on the live streams, get my attention by @hack5 in chat if you got a question. Otherwise, I glance over when I can and kind of try to catch up. Hey, syncing tactical systems. Ooh, Pineapple engine priming. Charging pineapple thrusters. Aligning sensor palettes. Coffee, black. Engage stealth protocols. Initiating warp core. All systems operational. Oh, it's so fun. Oh, whoa, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh, so colorful. Whoa, honestly, right off the bat, I will say this is like something we could have done for in lieu of war games. Honestly, it's got that kind of boldness to it that it's just striking. See alerts, okay, yeah, that looks good. Payloads, yep. Oh, I love the little like whoop, you know. Let's try examples. Of course, alert example. Ooh, yeah. This is almost like Borg-like. I'm thinking. I know this is. If you're familiar with LCARS, gosh, where's a good example LCARS? Yeah, images. There we go. Okay, yeah. Right, that's your traditional LCARS. You know, if you grew up on Star Trek: The Next Generation, or you didn't grow up on it, but you've seen it because you have taste, then there you go. This looks really good. Recon looks good. Pine AP, okay. I like the coloring. Let's check out the keyboard. Oh, yikes! Hang on a second. Let's check out that keyboard over here. Virtual pager. Oh, well, I'd say that's a little broken. Just a little. Hey, Talking Sasquatch, good to see you. That's a shame. Okay, so this is actually the first time I've seen like a straight up broken keyboard. Everything else looks really good. Pin code setup. Let's try the pin keyboard. Yeah. All right. That's another, because you can see that is That's a shame. That's really a shame, because I love like all of these little, you know, tiny nuances here. I love the icons across the top. They look so sharp. I mean, that battery icon, honestly, could have been the default. You know, all of these just come off so well. Let's check out the double-click menu. Yep, looks good. That's a shame about the keyboard. I mean, dang. First time ever seeing a broken theme. And that's such a shame, because it does look so good. I mean, look at that. Alright, well. Yeah. Alright. Well, let's just let the theme author know. Yep. Alright. Well, in that case, looks like I think the best course of action is to let the theme developer get that one fixed before we merge it. Only in that I don't want somebody having a poor experience, and that's an easy fix. You know, it's just a couple of assets need to be. So we're gonna say pending requested changes, and there we go. Okay. How are we doing on time? All right, I got a little time. We're okay. So let's try some fun new payloads. We got quite a few in here. So Looking Glass, first one I found. It's 293. Let's go ahead and get PR 293. So what this payload says, and let's just go ahead and view the nice README MD. Most smart glasses, Meta Ray-Bans, Snap spectacles, Bose frames are communicating primarily over Bluetooth Low Energy rather than Wi-Fi. Every BLE device broadcasts advertising frames that contain the manufacturer company ID, a unique identifier assigned to the Bluetooth SIG that can not be randomized or spoofed. Good to know. Very cool. Kind of like an OUI on a MAC address. This payload uses the Pineapple Pager's built-in Bluetooth scan. So what does it do? Features: passive Bluetooth scanning, listens for advertisements. Okay, detection, matches company IDs, RSSI strength, estimates proximity based on the RSSI. That's cool. Real-time LED feedback. The D-pad pulses cyan during scans and flashes red during detection. Haptics alert. 120-second scan. Fixed duration. Okay. Pretty cool. Prerequisites. Okay. Oh, it's got a it's going to install some BlueZ utils. We'll take a look at the code here in just a sec. All right. So just run it. There we go. Oh, I love a troubleshooting section. That's great. Okay. Well, let me take a look back at the code itself. And package. All right, so it does have a section for installing HCI tool. Now, I should have HCI tool. Let's see. Yep. All right, cool. Well, let's go ahead. Unfortunately, because this theme has a broken keyboard, I don't think it's wise for me to continue running payloads with it. So what do you say we do zombie cow? All right. Let's check out that sweet, sweet zombie cow boot animation here. All right. And we are off to the races. Dir name is wrong. Oh no! What directory name is wrong? The directory name of the, can we just change the folder to recon so people stop spelling it wrong? Oh, that'll explain it. Yes. It has the evil spaces. Oh, yep. It's got spaces in it. Okay. And reconnaissance may or may not be spelled incorrectly. So the reason that we chose to go with reconnaissance rather than recon, which we typically use, in the directory name under user is that we have specifically a second set of, we have another set of recon specific payloads. Payloads that are executed from the context of your recon scans. And we call those recon payloads. But these user recon payloads are user payloads that do reconnaissance. So the whole thing is confusing, and at least as a way to differentiate the directory names. Okay, so I see that Peaks is already putting it in review. Let's see if we can just go ahead and do a quick fix on it so I can at least test it. So this is going to be under... So yeah, there's the recon payloads I'm talking about that run from the context of recon. You pick an AP, and then you can launch a payload against clients or APs that way. All right, so this is going to be under reconnaissance, and we're going to have to move. What is this guy called again? Looking glass. We'll just put an underscore. Yeah. All right. Well, /recon/payload. Yeah, that's not confusing at all, Peaks. Well, let's give this guy a shot. Payloads. Reconnaissance. Looking glass. Hey, it's Cal! I love how friendly he is. Like, there's something adorable about this. Cal, you're a cartoon character. In life and on my pager now. How amazing is that? Okay. Well, I've got the prerequisites, so it's doing the scan. Ooh, you know what? We will let that scan go. Yep, scan active. I don't think it's gonna find anything. We'll see here in 2 minutes. But in that time, I am gonna run downstairs and grab some smart glasses so we can see it do the thing. So I'll be right back. You guys need anything from the fridge while I'm going down there? No, you're good? All right, cool. All right, how did our scan go? Oh, hey, look at that. Detected those frames. Detected. Meta Ray-Bans. Well, no joke. That's cool. They're not even out of their case. Literally just ran downstairs to grab these. Already found them. Pretty cool. That's a sweet little payload. It's a shame about the space in the file name, because otherwise it would be awesome to just go ahead and merge that. And yeah, you can tell these are my Meta Ray-Bans because they've got a capybara inside of a pineapple on the back of them, and then of course another pineapple or another capybara hanging out, you know, in a little hot tub as cappies like to do with his friend, little ducky, because who doesn't love that? All right. Well, look at that. 2 smart glasses detected nearby. Cool. I didn't even have to... Oh, my camera died. Of course it did. Of course it did. Well, see? I didn't even have to switch to these guys. Haha. Alright, well, that's fun. I didn't know. So, Bose frames. Interesting. I wonder if that's like a neighbor or something. Because definitely don't think I have any Bose frames in the house. But, yeah. Hey, Remy. Alright. Well, okay. Conversation. Oh, tried running, got an error. There was an update. Peaks request change. Okay. Cool. Okay, well, we can at least leave that guy in pending requested changes. Oh, we got requested changes on heads or tails? Really? Peaks, what's going on with this? It's Spywell. You know it's got to be good. And it's a fun little game of heads and tails. What's the issue here? Oh, it's in the example directory. That'll do it every time. I want to check it out anyway. Oh, does it include all of... Yeah, button combo. Interesting. And it also includes a password generator and a process killer. So this is an example of a PR that's... Yeah, it's a bunch of Okay, so... not my favorite. Definitely better to have all of the PRs in one, or all the each payload should be its own PR. Kind of want to see what these are. So even though it's broken, even though it's in the wrong directory, I'm just feeling like I'm feeling lucky. That's what it is. So I want to try the what does button combo do? By Spywell. Turn LED cyan to indicate. Not really much of it. No description at all. What does this do? Why not? Why not? I'm feeling silly. Alright. Password generator. Okay. Cool. I mean, I'm sure it does what it says on the tin. Process killer. Why are we terminating processes? Alright. Safely terminate unwanted process by PID number. I mean, if you knew the PID number, does it give it to you? Oh, it probably logs. Yeah, it logs the PIDs. Oh gosh, that's a fun one. Play a little PID roulette, you know? back in the Windows 95 days, we'd play a fun game of DLL roulette, you know? Everything was root, so you could just go in and just nuke a DLL from Windows System 32, and then your buddy would take a crack at it, just randomly nuking a DLL until you BSOD. It was a fun game. I'm sure you could play the same thing here with the PID killer. Okay, so this is now in examples, which is not correct, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, where is it? Hang on. Oh, it's under games. Oh, it is under games. Oh, the example button combo one. Okay, okay. So what does button combo even do? Yeah, again, what is it? All right, that's fine. An interactive button-triggered payload system that runs a user-defined command only after the correct button combination is entered. Oh! Okay. Cool. Yeah, it just doesn't need to be an example. Let's do games. Let's do... How about a nice game of chess? For some reason, Global Thermonuclear Wars just doesn't have the same ring to it. You know, on March 7th of 2026, as it did a week ago. But here we are. Games. Heads or tails? Alright, who wants to call it? Hey, Spywell! Since you're in here, you can go ahead and call it for us. Heads or tails? Oh, lost the camera again. Womp womp. I think it's all the heat radiating off the monitor that's directly in front of the camera. Poor little guy. Alright, nobody wants to call it. Heads or tails? Oh, and immediately died. I'm having a hard time with this camera today. At this point, I need to put probably a fan on it. That's crazy to think. Alright, we got one for heads, one for tails. Let me kick on the AC, see if that's gonna help any. This poor camera. See if we can't get this guy. Okay, everybody wants heads. Let's launch it and find out. Play heads or tails. Enter H for heads or T for tails. Okay. H. I just noticed that this keyboard has a dual shift key. Very cool. Alright, so we selected heads. Hey! Guys, we won. Yeah. Where's Paul the camera guy? Come on. Nah, I think we got it. Okay. Payload complete. I mean, aside from, I know, I missed Paul too. I missed the studio. I missed that entire era. It was good times. I've just kind of learned that is life. Everything is constantly changing, and it puts it into perspective where you can really appreciate the good that you have in the moment, because that moment is fleeting. It's gonna change. It's gonna be very different. Come on, buddy. This poor little Sony. There we go. Come on, buddy. Nope. Yep. There we go. Doing the best we can. Ah, Steve, I'm glad that I'm happy to hear that that was a good inspiration for you. Yeah, all right, we can try the combo button one. I mean, since we, you know, pulled the PR, why not? Examples, combo, button combo, launch. How does this work? Choose any button combination. For example, A, up, up, down. Revise the end of the payload according to your command. Ah, okay. Do we do it interactively? Choose a combination. A, up, up, down. Sure. Yeah, sounds like a good command. Okay. Well, let's do it. Let's do it live. Here we go. Oh. No, it ended. Oh, it's gonna hit A, up, up. Oh. A, up, up. Oh. Oh. Okay. So, that payload doesn't work. Like, straight up doesn't work. Oh, man, I had a 16-day uptime. Oh, man. Really? Oh, man. I had a 16-day uptime. Ah. That's okay. That's... You know, guys, sometimes you got crazy uptime. Sometimes you're testing payloads live. Yeah, what did that payload even do? You know, it's okay. We'll be back. We will be back. But, alright, so... what were we running here? Yeah, got to that. Got to that. Badoop, badoop, badoop. Well, it works. Okay, so Spywheel just says it works. I honestly think it's kind of amazing that it actually, like, shut down my pager. I'm like, what did you do? Okay, run in the background. Yeah, we chose that. Okay. And then the run combination part. I don't think we even got to here, did we? I'm not looking to make a review. Let's see, for time. Yes, do, starting in, okay, sleep 1. Alright. Toggle LED, yeah. Oh! Oh my god. Guys, I'm a big dum-dum. This is on me. This is not Spywheel. Spywheel's payload works. I should have read the full thing. Check this out. Disable _ display. What do you think that does? It turns off the screen. Toggle LED, I'm assuming that's a function here, to the A button and the B button. So, literally, all of the LEDs and the screen turn off until you hit the magic combination. And then the LED, you know, comes back on, you know, the D-pad LEDs, the screen comes back on, we toggle A and B back on, and then we were successful. Oh my gosh. I'm... I didn't read the payload, and that's on me. And that's kind of fun. I quite enjoy the fact that I literally thought it was off. Oh, well. All right. My poor... uptime. 3 minutes. My 3-minute uptime. Oh well. You live and you learn. I'm actually... I'm impressed that it worked. So, happy with that. Now all I want to do is run it again. Yeah, I didn't know there was something to... I mean, the UI could have told me, like, yo, dog, it's going to look like it's... you know, and that's why we have the LEDs on, you know? Like, that's a strategic decision. Alright, well, let's do it on this. Payloads. Examples. We just need to get a PR to move this out of examples. Button combo, launch. Okay. Yep, choose button, A, up, up, down. Cool. And I love that you can just like edit your own. I'm gonna go with the default. This looks good. A little find out my IP address situation. Love it. Okay. Okay. Start button combination. Selected button combination is A, up, up, down. Select checkmark to continue. Okay. Start button combination in background. I'm like, okay. This should say something to the effect of like, the screen will now blank, the LEDs will turn off. Just saying, like, if I... okay, here we go. Because the payload complete thing threw me for a loop, because I'm like, wait a second, we're no longer in the payload. And there you go, you can see, oh, and now, we still have our payload complete LEDs. Interesting, inconsistent results. Alright, so it's A, up, up, down. Ooh, what? What the, whoa. Interesting. How did you do that? That is fascinating. Huh. Hey, what's up, Airwolf? This is a wild payload. So, did that restart the service? Interesting. It's the payload complete part that throws me for a loop. But, yeah. Anyway, yeah, very interesting. I mean, I guess, I don't know. It's a fascinating payload, to say the least. I would consider updating, since I know you're in here, Spywell, I would consider just communicating the expectations to the user right before it runs, and then of course moving it out of example. Oh, you know what? We'll go ahead and try password generator and process killer since we're here. Since this is a 4-in-1 pull request. So what was it called? It's password generator and process killer. All right, let's generate a password. Oh, cool. It saves it as loot. That's nice. Yeah, sure. We'll make a password for my PC. 16 characters sounds good. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna remember that, guys. So, you know, everybody make sure to write that one down. That is indeed the password I'm going to be using from now on. And I love that you get, you know, some nice feedback here. This is good. Cool. And I like that it saves it. Let's now check out the process killer. Okay, safely terminating unwanted processes. Cool. Man, this theme looks so good. Oh man, this is just asking for trouble. Okay, because like there's nothing in here that I would want to actually kill. Like host APD, that's like your Wi-Fi stack. Same thing with WP as supplicant, that's your client. I guess we could kill the DHCP server. I mean, I'm not expecting to get 16 days of uptime after all of this. Or I could have just started a, we'll kill Bluetooth. 2984. Let's kill 2984. Alright. I do like the way that this is working where it's like press A to continue. It's smart. It's actually a good technique. If we head over to the payload, we'll actually see that in action. Under process killer. So all of these logs looked really good. I like the way that this is formatted. So each of these log lines looks really nice, and then it looks like, okay, when we're done with spinner, wait for button press A. I love that because then we can continue to use up and down to page through. And so yeah, what did I say we're going to kill? 2984. Oh, and a number picker, as we should, instead of the QWERTY keyboard. 2984. Yep, we're sure. Okay. Alright, so if I run PS, aux, grep, Bluetooth. Oh, sorry, not just PS, grep, Bluetooth. The only thing I see is me grepping Bluetooth. Also, I'm pretty sure, just a little, this might work. If you put the first letter in brackets, yeah. This is a fun little, like, Linux tip for you. If you're ever piping, like PS to grep, if you put the B, or the first character in brackets, then it won't return you grepping for the thing that you're looking for, which I think is pretty great. So, alright, cool. Well, we've now killed Bluetooth. Goodbye, Bluetooth. So Spywheel, once you get that all sorted, we will be able to merge that. Okay. The hacker culture trail game payload. Just go into the next one that's not pending requested changes. 280. Okay. This is cool indeed. Pretty good storm brewing. Steve Miller, I did actually record a bunch of those, and even released one recently in a long form Hack 5 episode that I shot here at the Austin studio. And interestingly enough, it didn't get the traction that I kind of expected, given how much work was put into it. But I would love to. I miss the studio stuff. I think that, I wouldn't write it off. It's not like I'm doing anything else. I mean, this is like, Hack 5 is kind of my life. So on the grand scheme of things, I could see going back to the studio format for sure. All right, so let's try this game. I've got about 4 minutes till I'm going to have to run. So let's go ahead and run this guy. Payloads. Games. And this is called the Hacker Culture Trail. Oh, you know what? I think we did this last week, didn't we? We did. We did this last week. We already figured this out. And then I realized that this is running in TMP because some of the changes that we made in the beta of 1.0.8 that I am running. And yes, indeed we did. So I know that this one works. I need to downgrade to 1.0.7, just the latest stable, or get the latest beta of 1.0.8 where we have the fix in for that. Either way, so I would say that one is a hold only on my end, which is kind of a shame. Also, some awesome stuff on the horizon for the payload system is some infrastructure on the back end that's going to handle compiling of binary payloads. So a lot of these that are pending are binary payloads. Brain Freak in particular has been, churning out some really amazing ones, and I'm excited to have that infrastructure in place so that we can all enjoy those. Doom is a perfect example of one of those as well. Hacknoid, so some really good stuff. And I just want to, before I wrap up here, encourage you guys to head over to the main repo, GitHub/Hack5 Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager, where the discussion is now the place for the Q&A. We're going to have our roadmap in there too, and your feature ideas. I could totally see this one being in the next version. That doesn't sound like, it's, in fact, all of these look totally doable. And I love the feature request because it tells us what to do, So these are upvotable. I don't want to click them right now just to show favoritism or anything, but you can, and that's kind of exciting. Oh, nice! And Thomas, again, is in chat and had just merged the, let's head over. Merged a, or sent an update to the Pecars. So, under themes, pull requests, okay. Haha, nice. All 6 keyboard layouts, sweet. Let's check it out. Yes, there we go. That looks really good. And Thomas, it's good to see you in chat. Man, yeah, I'm sure it was just like, unmuting a layer in Photoshop. So, awesome. Those look really good, and if you're good with it, I would love to just go ahead and merge that guy, so everybody can enjoy your LCARS inspired theme. I think it's phenomenal. Oh, that's cool. It includes a generate Pecars assets Python script for regenerating assets or creating variant themes. What? I don't think I've ever seen that in a theme before. That's very cool. Yeah, if you're good with it, Thomas, you just let me know if that's fixed. And Super Basic Studio, thank you so much. You know, there was a Star Fox theme, and it was a theme in early development, and then I would have to go back and do it again because we changed the architecture so much. But yeah, all right, sweet. Thomas again says it's good to go. I'm very excited. That is a good place to leave us here. I'm only 1 minute over, but look at that. We got through all our themes, we got through some PRs, and we're doing a lot of infrastructure stuff on the back end to support so many of the payloads that are in PR right now. So can't wait to get all of those merged. Thank you, everybody, on this nice little chill Saturday for joining me for the Payload Power Hour, as it were. I had a lot of fun. I thought my pager was broken or had died, or I was like, how did you kill this? No, you just disabled the screen and the LEDs. Love it. Literally with the disable display ducky script. Should have read the payload code, but you know, that's just how we roll here. All right, well, thank you so much, guys, for joining. It was good to see everybody. It was awesome to be there for a moment where I'm literally running a Zombie Joe theme with Valley Tech Solutions, and Cal is, and both Zombie Joe and Cal are in chat while I'm doing it. Love it. I always have so much fun when I do this. I'm working on some fun stuff. I'm gonna have to leave it at that. God, there's so much I want to talk about right now, but all good stuff coming just around the corner. So anyway, yeah, been hard at work on some fun new things. Yeah, just Steven, yes, you get it. Just love bringing everybody together. Thank you guys for you know, bringing this joy to my life. I love doing this. I guess we'll end it here. And you know, in Pecars fashion, you guys know how I like to end these streams, and that's by saying, trust your live long and prosper. Cheers, guys.